What happens when you pack supercharged muscle into a family SUV? You get the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat, an unapologetically loud, fast, and fun beast that hauls more than just groceries. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, and today we're taking a closer look at the SUV that still refuses to grow up. Design. Right out of the gate, the 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat makes a statement. Dodge kept the aggressive stance, wide body lines, and signature Hellcat touches, like the heat-extracting hood and massive air intakes. But this year, they've refined the lighting, sharpened the grille, and added new wheel options that make it feel a little more modern without losing that muscle DNA. Performance. Let's talk about the monster under the hood. The 6.2L supercharged HEMI V8 is back, now tuned to push out 720 horsepower. Yes, in an SUV. 0 to 60 in just over 3.5 seconds, and it sounds like thunder every step of the way. Dodge also updated the suspension and brakes for 2026, so it's more planted, more precise, and still a total thrill to drive. Features and technology. Inside, the Durango Hellcat blends muscle with luxury. You get sport seats with Hellcat embroidery, real carbon fiber trim, and the latest Uconnect system with a 12.3-inch touchscreen. There's wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a full suite of driver aids, including adaptive cruise and lane keep assist, because speed doesn't mean you skip safety. Conclusion. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat is the muscle car of SUVs, still loud, still proud, and somehow even better than before. It's not for everyone, but if you get it, you get it. Think this is the ultimate family hauler? Drop a comment and let us know. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more no BS reviews right here on Next Gen Reviews. Catch you in the next one.